Hi guys, again me. So today I will talk about how to make this gradient on your project. So of course in Webflow this can be tricky without coding to make this, I don't know how it's called, vector gradient. We can make something like this, but I mean that's as good as it gets, at least to my knowledge. So I created div named gradient for this one, and to make it you have to go to background, image and gradient, and click plus and go to gradient and press this one, radial gradient. So as you can see they are in circle. You can't change the shape, to say it like that. And to make it you have to set default color here. So let's start from the beginning. So you go here, and this is the color that is this one, that will be the gradient. And as you can see it's white. So we type in, or just select white, go it in opacity, okay, and press here. And on second one we go to color and select the background color, and on last one as well. So I have it OLED, or I have swatch color or OLED. So I have swatch color OLED already. So I have swatch color already, as you can see, and I just have to adjust the size of the gradient, and this is something like that, but of course in different shape. And we just have to adjust position. So this looks about right, maybe a little bit bigger. So let's see. Problem is that it doesn't follow the text, but I set it on background, so it is doing what it's supposed to do. If we were to follow the text, that is topic for another tutorial. So that's it guys.